Everyone, I am Hung. Today I would like to tell you about short conversation between the people, the man and the woman. Conversation 1. The woman said to the man they had reviewed his cover letter and resume and had decided that he was a good candidate for a position in their firm. And the woman wanted to know if the man could come by for an interview that day. The man was surprised by that, and she because he said he were free all day long, and he wanted to know what time he should come in and how long it could take. The woman replied to the man, the preliminary interview would be at 10 in the morning, and it's usually taken 20 minutes. And after that, the man, are, the man might be called back for final interview, and that could be on Monday. The man agreed with her, and he said he would be seeing the woman Friday morning. Conversation 2. The woman wanted to know if the man knew that old bakery down the street, and the woman said she had heard that we're going the to be closing down soon. The man replied to her that were sad and that shop were owned and operated by the elderly married couple. Then it could probably become a coffee shop chain. The woman commented it was a shame that it was so hard for small family-owned business to stay profitable today, and the woman wished there was something they could do. The man replied the, to her, they could stay fundraising for the bakery, and he thought they could keep it open. Conversation 3. The man said to the woman before he could describe his daughter any medication, and he needed to know how long she had been showing symptoms. The woman replied to the man she had started coughing a lot the day after morning, and by the afternoon she had been running a high fever, and she wanted to know if the woman thought it was serious. The man was surprised by that, and she thought she would be fine, and colds were common among children, especially at this time of year. And and he said he would give her some medicine to soothe the cold, and he wanted to know her children had any allergy. The woman commented she she wasn't allergic to anything, and at least not that she were aware of. Conversation 3. The woman got the man's attention. She said she had come to ask him if he had time to talk about the design for the new logo that she had submitted the week before. The man was sorry about the fact that, however, he hadn't got any time right then, and because there was an important meeting, and he had to be at in few minutes, and it could take all morning. The woman was surprised by that, and he said she had just wanted to know if the man thought her, her design were interesting, or if the man uh, wanted her to make any change. The man suggested stopping by his office before the woman went home that evening, and he said They could chat about it then. Conversation 4. The man said to the woman he were going to arrange a meeting to discuss the new office recycling policy. The woman replied to the man she hadn't heard anything about that, and she wanted to know if the they they had already recycled. The man agreed with her, and however, they were going through far too much copy paper, and he said he was afraid it were being wasted, and a number of people people there were also neglecting to put your paper in recycle bins. The woman replied to the man, "That's probably true if they tell them to be more aware of problem." And the woman thought they would start conserving more paper. Conversation 5. The man said to the woman she had asked him to drop up the legat 5 at the courthouse that afternoon. However, he had never been there before, and he wanted to know if the woman had known the best way to get there. The woman replied to the man if he arrived it were pretty easy to find, although traffic were percent percentually bad at this time of day, and the downtown area were crowded and a lot of people was out on their lunch break. The man thought he could take the subway or a bus, and he wanted to know um, public transportation would get him there quickly. The woman disagreed with him, and gave her she gave him $20 and started catching a cab. Conversation 6. The woman said to the man that were Miranda Baylor from Ohio High School. She said his his son Peter were in her English class. He was calling because he would like to meet him sometime and talk about his academic performance. The man replied to her he hadn't known there had been a problem, and he wanted to know if he were doing poorly. The woman disagreed with him, and she said uh, his son were doing quite well. The woman thought he might be eligible to, to enter an advanced program for GIP students before she recommended him, and she had approval from his parents. The man were happy about the fact that and he would let his wife know that he called, and they would call her back to schedule an appointment. Conversation 7. The man said to the woman he wanted to buy space heater for the bedroom, and it could keep their warm in winter and reduce their power bill. The woman disagreed with him because there were enough room in the bedroom for space heater, and uh, she was worried it would make air too dry. Uh, the, the man disagreed with her. He thought they got a new model and they were making them much smaller today, and they were already got the humidity uh, humidifier. Uh, the woman commented it was worth a try, and he sure hope he he were right about the power bill, and they were been paying far too much ever since the weather became cold. Conversation 10. Finally, the man wanted to know the woman if the woman could tell him where to find mustard. The woman replied to the man he could find mustard and the rest of the condiment in aisle 5, burn and bread was in aisle 10. If you were planning our summer cookout, be sure to check out their shelf at the butter counter. Hamburger patty was on sale. Uh, the man wanted to confirm that his wife had asked him to pick up some steak for dinner, and he wanted to know uh, if they were sure too. The woman agreed with him. Some brand of steak were on sale, and suggested the man asking which on one when he got there. Conversation 8. The man said to the woman they had received her shipment of limited edition bottled lion, and they had been extremely impressed with her craftsmanship. They were very confident that this product will sell in their store, so they were wondering if she could make another 20 units by May. The woman replied to the man they were very glad that the men were satisfied with their shipment. However, 20 units by May were very big order, and she didn't think they could have that all done by May, and they would need at least a month to have that all done. The man commented they had been worried about that, and however, he could assure the woman that the woman would be very well compensated if the woman could have all 20 units done by May, and they would cover our shipping costs as well. The woman commented that were temping order, and if they ship by air, that could take away a bit of the burden. However, the woman didn't think that would be enough, and she thought she could contact the factory and see if they could outsource a part of contact with another company and perhaps even hire more workers. The woman said she would phone my people and have an answer for him by 2 days.